Technical problem! Can you please help me? In the frame? What? This is normal. Is it supposed to come off like that? Hey, what's up you guys? It's Meryl. Not going around anywhere because for this week, I am going to do my very first unboxing video of my Ringlight! So it finally arrived today. Actually, it arrived earlier than I expected. This was supposed to be my video next week, but here it is. So I'm going to unbox my new Neweer 18-inch Ringlight. This is actually really the first time I'm opening it. I've been sharing the picture the entire day to my family and friends because I was just so excited. And then we finally have the Ringlight! Yay! So the first thing I pulled out of the box is the tripod, and I'm just gonna set it up real quick. Huh? How do you do that? Can you help me? Technical problem! Can you please help me? I don't understand. I don't understand.
Okay, hey guys, I'm here to help.
Technical problem. It's heavier than I thought. Get your parents to help you. Or your boyfriend.
Somebody doesn't know what they're doing.
Ah,
Hui. Okay. Bye guys.
in the frame. What? This is normal. Is it supposed to come off like that? It actually came with this. It says it's a detachable soft tube, but I'm not sure what it's for. I will research how to use it after this video, but I'm guessing it's an extension or it's for a different type of camera because I think it has different... No, actually it has the same head. Whatever, stop blabbering. Okay, so we're finally gonna attach our ring light. How do I do this? Is it normal? It's not. Okay. For me, it came with a European plug, so that's convenient. So first, I'm going to attach the white filter and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on with the white filter. Oh my god, it's blinding! Oh, do you see that? It's so good! So this is how the white filter looks when you light it up. It comes with this attachment. So this is how you attach the camera, which I will do using my DSLR. So actually you can tilt the camera because it's like a socket joint here. So yeah, you can film from above or eye level. Okay, so the next one I'm going to try are the orange filters. Okay, so we have the orange attachment on. Then, voila. So this is a bit more yellow tone. It's a bit more subtle actually. It's not as white and as bright as a white filter. So this is what it looks like. Before anything else, I also want to discuss the different dimensions and measurements of the ring light. So the tripod is adjustable. It can go as low as 48 centimeters and as high as 150 centimeters. And the ring light is 18 inches, as I already mentioned, so that's about 48 centimeters. And if you mount it on top of the tripod, then you add the 48 centimeters to the 150, it's 198. Okay, wow, math. Anyway, the diameter of the ring light down the middle is 36 centimeters and from end to end it's 48 centimeters. The ring light has 240 LED bulbs around the ring light and it's also dimmable, and I'm going to show you how that looks like. So this is what it looks like when it's dim. And that's what it looks like when it's not dim at 100%. As I already mentioned, there's two color filters. I already showed you how I put them on. So this is what it looks like with the white. So this is what it looks like with the orange filter, and it's also dimmable. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I apologize, actually my camera adjusts on low light settings, so this is not the most dim, but you get the idea. And this is the brightest. It's yellow tone. Last, this is what it looks like when I use two filters of orange and two filters of white. It's a bit more natural looking actually. So I know I failed at making it seem like the ring light is easy to assemble, but honestly guys, it is easy. This is just not my forte and I'm really sorry. But anyway, there are instructions, so if you're smart enough, unlike me, to actually read instruction, you will be fine. So if you guys enjoyed my struggle in this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And now that I have a ring light, there will be more videos to come, so be sure to stay tuned. See you around!